So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use the camera app to create a GIF on a Galaxy phone or tablet. So first of all, launch the camera app on a Samsung phone or tablet. Now after this, tap on the settings icon. And now this will open camera settings. Now here you will see various options like screen optimizer, scan documents, scan QR codes, swipe shutter, etc. Here tap on this option. Now here you will see these two options, take burst shot and create GIF. Here select create GIF. Now go back again. Now to create a GIF, simply swipe and hold the shutter button like this. And this will create the GIF. Once done, release the button and the GIF is now created. To see it, tap here and this is GIF. Once created, you can edit it. For this, tap on this icon and now you can make your own edits. So this is how you can use camera app to create a GIF on a Galaxy phone or tablet. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.